Hello you guys, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Okay, we are going to start with our class today. So we are going to start with the daily routine. Okay, well, yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Excellent work, okay? Then we are going to see the date. What day is today? Today is Monday, April 27th, 2020. Remember that you have to write the date at the top of the pages that we are going to work today. Okay, the weather. How is going to be the weather today? Okay, the weather is going to be sunny and we are going to have a hot day. Very good. And remember that we are in spring. Excellent. Very good. Let's continue with the activities that we are going to have on Monday. Okay, we are going to have the mental math activity. Then we are going to go to phonology, page 35 and 36. We are going to work in optional pages, and then we are going to go to language. Okay, these are the activities that we are going to make today. Okay, excellent. Okay, what do you say? We can start? Okay, let's go. Let's go to think tank. Okay, to make the mental math. Remember that you are going to write only the answers in the space below, and then you are going to write the date. Don't forget it, please. Okay, very good. The number 1. 45 times 2 plus 17. 45 times 2 plus 17 equal. The next one, number 2. 16 times 2 minus 7 equal. 16 times 2 minus 7 equal. Number 3. 428 divided by 2. 428 divided by 2. Okay, the next one. 37 plus 16 minus 2. 37 plus 16 minus 2 equal. And the last, number 5. 88 divided by 2 times 4 equal. 88 divided by 2 times 4 equal. Okay, very good, excellent job. Excellent. Okay, let's go to our first activity. That is the lesson number 3. We are going to listen and then we are going to put the numbers beside the word. Okay? Let's start.
Lesson 3. The words you will hear are not necessarily in the same order as the ones in the book. Watch out for the missing word. Archaeologist. Archaeologist. Probably. Probably. Craftsman. Craftsman. Mysterious. Mysterious. Hiking. Hiking. Chugs. Chugs. Foreigners. Foreigners. Terraces. Terraces. Scientists. Scientists. Zigzagged. Zigzagged. Trusty. Trusty. Trekked. Trekked. Highest. Highest. Wonder. Wonder. Predict. Predict.
Excellent work. Now you know what is the missing word? Excellent. Fortress. Excellent work. Now, with your highlight, you are going to find the word in the sentence. Okay? Excellent. Very good. Now we are going to go to the other page. And in this page, you are going to write the correct word in the blanks below. Okay? And then you are going to make this exercise. You are going to work with a partner, and your partner, times you're reading the words from the list, record how long it takes you to read the whole list and write it in the space. Then you are going to write the one of your partners, and then you are going to know who make the short time, okay? And the shortest time wins. Okay? Very good. Now, the self-assessment, please write it. And with this, we finish this page. But in your optional pages or in your notebook, you are going to make the draw of the words of the lesson number 3. Okay? Very good. With this activity, we finish language. Sorry, it's the phonology. I'm sorry. And then we are going to go to language. But first, I have a video for you, so you can see it. It's about indirect objects. And let's see it, and then we are going to go to the page 78 of language. Let's watch.
Direct objects are nouns, proper nouns, or pronouns that are not the subjects or direct objects of sentences. They are affected by the verb, but not directly. Then how will we ever find them? Hey, Superman, come back! Relax. I promise this will all make sense. When a sentence has an indirect object, and not many sentences do, you can always find it in between the verb and the direct object. So if I wrote the sentence, Deborah baked George a cake, Deborah is my subject. She is a proper noun. Baked is the verb that shows the action that Deborah performed. And since we're pretty sure Deborah didn't bake George, we know that George is not the direct object. Cake is the direct object because it directly received the action of the verb baked. So George is the indirect object. George is affected by the action of Deborah's baking of the cake, but not directly. Thank goodness! Could we practice some more? Sure we can. We will follow these steps and look for clues. The waitress brought Mr. Smith some coffee. First, we need to find the subject. Who or what is this sentence about? Well, this sentence is about the waitress. She's my subject. She's a person. Waitress is a noun. Next, we need to find the verb. Do you see a word that shows action? What did the waitress do? Brought. The waitress brought. Brought is a verb. Next, we need to find the direct object. We need to find the noun, proper noun, or pronoun that received the action. We need to ask ourselves, the waitress brought what? What did the waitress bring? Well, since we're pretty sure the waitress didn't bring Mr. Smith, we know that Mr. Smith is not the direct object. Coffee is the direct object because the coffee directly received the action of being brought. So Mr. Smith is the indirect object. Mr. Smith is affected by the action of the bringing of the coffee, but not directly. Thank goodness! That was fun! Let's do it again. Okay, let's do it again. The boy threw the dog a ball. First, we need to find the subject. Who or what is this sentence about? Well, this sentence is about the boy. He's my subject. A boy is a person. He's a noun. Next, we need to find the verb. Do you see a word that shows action? What did the boy do? Threw. The boy threw. Threw is a verb. Next, we need to find the direct object. We need to find the noun, proper noun, or pronoun receiving the action. We need to ask ourselves, the boy threw what? What did the boy throw? Well, I'm pretty certain the boy didn't throw the dog, so the dog is not the direct object. Ball is the direct object because the ball directly received the action of the throwing. So the dog is the indirect object. The dog is affected by the action of the throwing, but not directly. Roof! So remember, indirect objects are nouns, proper nouns, or pronouns that are not the subjects or direct objects of sentences. They are affected by the verb, but not directly. And when a sentence has an indirect object, and not many sentences do, you can always find it in between the verb and the direct object. Hooray! You've done a fantastic job.
Okay, very good. Nice video, no? Okay, excellent. Let's go to language and let's go to the page number 78. It says indirect objects. Okay, in here you're going to read and we have some examples, but I want to help you in this exercise because we have to unscramble the sentences and then we have to circle the indirect object. So we are going to make the first for you. Okay, let's see with this. We are going to unscramble these sentences. I think the first, it's Emma. Very good. Then we are going to find the verb. Okay. Boat. Okay. Then we are going to put her mom. Okay. A souvenir. Let's see if we are correct. Okay. Souvenir. Okay. Let's see. What is the subject in the sentence? Okay. We have to know that what is the sentence about. It it's about Emma, so this is the subject. Okay. Now we have to find what is the verb. What is the action? Okay, both is the verb. Okay. Then we have to know what is receiving this action. So both receive the action of the souvenir. So souvenir is the direct object. So we found the indirect object. Hermon, indirect object. Okay? Well, try to do it like this, and that's all for today. So have a nice day, and remember that I miss you a lot. Kisses for everybody. Bye.